Here's a really important tip for your product management, product type question interview. This tip is probably one of the most important tips for acing that type of question. We're talking about the types of questions where you're asked about improving an airport experience or redesigning your refrigerator. How would you take your product abilities and product intuition and improve upon an existing product or devise an even new product that could target important customer or user needs? In this particular question, one thing that's extremely important that the interviewer is looking for is your product vision ability. Now, let me explain what product vision means. Product vision is your ability to predict the future, to look 10 years ahead and say, this is the direction that I think we should go in because this is where the industry is going. It involves a bit of strategy, a bit of design, understanding of products and how they fit into customer needs, and also what a lot of product managers call a spidey sense for product sense and product intuition. In the end of the day, this question is really testing your ability to have a good sense or intuition about products and how to decide where a product should go. But it's also looking for you to have passion and excitement about this answer and that you're excited about the direction that you want to go in with this product. So, as an example, if we're talking about products, I want to hear you talk about something that's, exciting and enthusiastic to you. Let's say that we're talking about refrigerators. If we're talking about refrigerators, they might seem like quite a mundane topic to discuss. However, if we can talk about the 10-year or 15-year future of a refrigerator, we can weave in really interesting pieces that might actually make it an exciting space to look forward to. For example, what if you imagine a refrigerator as a device that takes care of all of your cooking and purchasing needs with regards to food? So the refrigerator knows what food you like, it purchases that food for you, and it helps you even provide you with recipes for making that food. Each of those aspects are actually quite interesting, and you can dive into a deeper product vision with any one of them. For example, a refrigerator that basically can pick recipes for you based on what's inside of it, or a refrigerator that targets millennials who don't want to go out and buy all this food and who are very busy and automatically orders via Instacart all the groceries you need to your house. So at the end of the day, you want to come up with some of these interesting novel ideas that weave together some insights from the future. One thing that I would recommend that works really, really well in these interview questions is just coming up with kind of a tagline or a one-sentence description of that product and weaving that into your answer. Generally, you want to bring this up after you've already targeted a user, after you've already picked some user pain points, and after you're kind of settled on what direction you want to go in. Then you can kind of discuss this product vision. After discussing that product vision, you'll use the remainder of the interview answer to kind of justify that product vision and come up with features that support that product vision. You want to align to that vision as much as possible for the rest of your interview, if that's the direction that you're going with. Keep in mind that this tagline or one-sentence description doesn't have to be perfect, but it just has to kind of clearly encapsulate the point of this product to the interviewer. What's the point? Why would a user buy this? Why is this even relevant? Something like the refrigerator that stocks itself is a great example of a tagline that really clearly explains the value to the user and explains what the whole thing does. So try to pick something that is clear and concise. Feel free to take a few seconds in your interview if you need to, but make sure that you always mention a product vision. It's the most important part of the product management, product type interview question.